Here's what's left of that crossbow. I made a new crossbow. It's significantly bigger. Here's the first one. It's 28 inches. This new one is 42. So I'm basically just going to make a little indent for the piece of aluminum there. I don't think I have to show you how to do that. It'd also be kind of hard to record since it's nighttime outside. And I got the plane set up properly. Now take it all apart and paint it up. So it's been 4 days since I originally started working on this. The reason I haven't worked on it since is because I literally haven't been able to get to the garage for reasons. The thing is finished. I just need to make bolts now, which is going to be in the same video too. It's pretty huge actually. So there's a little sticking out the front, so I'm just going to trim it off real quick. The hole isn't perfectly straight. I put some nails in there and there's epoxy drying in there right now. I'm going to make one more of these and then I'll just test them out. Okay, so I'm going to try the one that I'm pretty sure won't work first, which is this one, the first one I made. I was just messing around seeing what would work for a bolt. Okay, this one's pretty easy to stick. This is the test for the new arrows I made. Yep. These two are pretty much the same. Okay, aim higher. Yeah, not bad. Okay, I'm gonna shoot this one more time. Not bad. Except I can't get this one to stick really. I wonder how stuck they are. Not super bad.